happening, guys? This is Mahmoud from Steele, Hyundai, Halifax. Today I will be showing you this wonderful 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the exterior now. Now to start off with, Hyundai design team have stepped up their game to a whole new level with this Tucson. Very daring exterior design. Very futuristic look. Now that thing turns heads all the time. I've been driving it for a while now and I feel like a superstar in it. Beautiful taillight design. Very beefy rear end. Now this particular model is the preferred trend model. Tucson comes with a 2.5 liter inline 4 engine, 187 horsepower, hooked up with 8-speed automatic transmission. We have keyless entry system. Incredible interior. Very comfy seat. This one comes with leather seats, panoramic sunroof. Amazing interior design. High attention to details, as you can see in here. This Tucson has all the safety features that you and your family need. Traction control system, blind spot, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, downhill braking assist, all-wheel drive system. We have nice, beautiful backup camera. Very nicely equipped SUV. Wireless phone charging system, engine idle stop and go system, electric handbrake system, downhill braking assist, different drive and terrain mode. We have snow, mud and sand. Drive modes are smart, sport, normal and eco. Heated steering wheel, heated passenger and driver seats. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. If you have any questions, reach out to us at Steele Hyundai Halifax, 902-454-1000.